my birthday to, guys. Oh, look at this. Ang cute niya. Hello, you want to eat? We don't have bread.
Hello.
What I gonna give for him? Ay, chicken.
Chicken.
Yes. We give. Day, kuha tayo day.
Chicken. Okay.
Hello, baby. Oh.
Did you make a picture?
Yes, ang cute mo. You want to come with us? Food. You're begging food, mommy.
Give some chicken.
Chicken lang. We give him. Ano, he's ready already. Oh.
Just throw, okay?
Ate.
Just throw, okay?
Wait. Mag-video ko, te. Dali lang.
Puchay. Oh, dali, kaon. Dali. You eat. Oh, baby pa siya.
Baby.
Oh, thank you. May trebe,
more?
mami. Oh.
Wait. I'll give one.
One more.
It's cars back, Jovelin.
Okay. Bye.
Kaon, mami. Kaon. Bye-bye. Another beer. Ang laki niya, oy. Bigyan natin isa.
Sige. Good.
May chicken pa ka?
Oo.
Bigyan mo, dali. Kawawa.
Chicken?
Bigyan natin isa, one more. We can give them. We can give him. Kawawa.
It's okay.
Bebe.
Throw.
Yay.
Yay! You like it, mommy? You're so big. Oh, ang cute nyo. Ang laki nila. Ibang lolo day. Ibang lolo. Bye-bye. Thank you. Nagpakita ka. Oh, nakakain ka na ng manok, di ba? Hello, baby.
So guys, ito pala yung video na nakuha ko nung pabalik na kami or pauwi na kami sa bahay. So may nakita naman kami ulit na beer dito sa daan. Dalawa din sila. So I'm sure same lang sila yung nakita namin nung papunta na kami ng Spontaneous Lake. Ayan yung sa busy siya. Ito yung malaki, guys. Binibigyan siya ng mga food. Maraming nagbigay talaga ng food dito, guys. Kahit sabihin nilang bawal kang magbigay. Siyempre naawa ko inag-abang sa daan. Humihingi sila ng food. Kaya yun, binigyan din namin sila nung papunta kami doon sa Spontaneous.
Cute ka, ayaw ka.
Gutom na gutom sila.
Cute ka, ayaw siya. You do picture love. Picture love, give to mommy.
Dear, like human MMS.
Puftabo na, mami. Mato siya. I don't know, this is a man? He's already old, how old? Somebody is there? Hello, we have to go home?
That's enough.
Hello!
Hey!
Bunaziwa! Ay, mangkat! Ha? Ay, mangkat! Oh. You're afraid with the Filipina! I'm not eating beer! It's my birthday to, guys! Oh, look at this! Ang cute niya! Hi! Bye-bye! Naghanap pa siya ng food. Laki ng bear. Baby lang siya, guys, pero doon sa daan ay grabing laki. Bye-bye!
The very luckiest day, luckiest adventure I ever had here in Romania. Nakakita ko ng dalawang bears sa daan, guys. Super saya talaga ang lalaki nila. Sumukha naman silang adorable or ama-amo, guys. Pero be aware kasi nga maano sila, alam niyo na wild animal sila. Pero guys, kung sakaling pupunta kayo ng Spontaneous Lake, make sure madala kayo ng food kasi pag nakita nyo sila, maaawa talaga kayo, guys. Pero sabi na bawal daw talaga magbigay ng or maghatak ng food kasi nang aatake sila ng mga sasakyan, trucks, and etc. Pero mabait naman sila, guys, kaya bigyan nyo na ng food kasi maawa din talaga kayo. So I hope you enjoy watching. Bye-bye!